Create a cube. Scale it down to 50 centimeters. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Add a loop cut in this area. Scale the top to shape it like a watermelon slice. Add another loop cut here. Press Ctrl+1 to set the subdivision level. Press Alt+C to convert to mesh, then go to edit mode. Select the bottom part of the mesh to use as the rind. Separate this mesh, adjust its width. Add a solidify modifier. Go to edit mode, then add a loop cut in this area. Press Ctrl+B to add a bevel with 3 segments. Press Ctrl+ to select the middle segment. Scale the middle segment to resemble this shape. Adjust the fruit shape until it looks right. Create another cube, then press Ctrl+3 to add a subdivision modifier. Duplicate and arrange evenly across the fruit area. Select all seeds and apply a mirror modifier. Add green material for the outer rind. Add light green material for the inner rind. Add red material for the fruit flesh. Add black material for the seeds. Adjust the camera angle, then render.